Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassan Nasir and today we are discussing about what is internet. Internet क्या है? Internet and internet telecommunication or next we can see firewall security and cloud data security. First of all, we see what is internet. The internet is the vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the internet, people can share information, communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. Now you can see that with the help of internet we can easily communicate with one person to another. If you, for example, if you are live in UK and your friend live in Italy and you want to talk with your friend, you can easily talk and communicate with your friend through internet. Through you can use different apps like WhatsApp, Imo, Google Chat, Zoom, and you can easily, with the help of internet, you can talk and communicate with your friends or with your relatives. You can see that the internet is a vast network. Internet is a network that connects with one person to another, with one computer to all over the world. For example, if you have a laptop or PC and you have internet connection and you are connected with all over the whole world. Now we can see what is internet in simple word. The internet is a globally system of interconnected computers networks that use the internet protocols via TCP to communicate between networks and devices. And you can see here we can see what is the benefits of internet. You can see that the main advantage of internet is the ability to connect billions, not millions, billions, trillions of the computer and each devices to each other. It means that internet is very important and it is 21st century and internet plays an important role in human life. Without, we can say in simple words, without internet life is not possible. Not only does the internet create convenience in sharing and receiving information between users, other advantage of the modern internet ability for the automation. And what are the benefits of using internet? You can see that here are the some benefits: connectivity, communication, and sharing. For example, if you are internet user, you know about the connectivity. What is connectivity? You can access all over the whole world and communicate with every person all over the world and share your information all over the world. Information, knowledge, and learning. You can get information from internet, knowledge, and you can learn easily. Address mapping and content information. If you want to know the address of the person, you can easily get any address, any location from the internet. Selling and making money. You can also make money on internet through different platforms, like you can make money from freelancing, e-commerce, and YouTube, blogging, SEO, digital marketing. There are different types of the skill, and I also make this video on different type of skills: banking, billings, and shopping. And with the advantage of internet, internet plays an important role in banking, bills, and shopping, donation and funding. We can get easily donations and funding from through internet from any institute. Internets provide many entertainment videos for children, for adults, etc. Work from home, you can already discuss about what is collaboration tools as global. Hi friends, I think you will know the advantage of the internet, and on next video we will discuss disadvantages of internet.